How to melt and cast zinc-aluminum alloy ingot perfectly. Choose CDOCAST hydraulic tilting furnace and experience flawless, controlled pouring with a high-performance hydraulic tilting mechanism. Just add material into the crucible and then start melting. All functions are centralized in the Siemens PLC, and the melting temperature can be monitored in real time. Manual assisted stirring during the melting process ensures uniform alloying of the metal. After melting, start tilting process. Our hydraulic tilting system eliminates manual pouring, giving you safer operation and perfectly controlled metal flow for higher quality billets every time. And then precision pouring into extrusion billet molds. Perfectly formed zinc-aluminum extrusion billets. Welcome to Inquiry with us.